dying. I love you. You look like my Uncle Leroy. You're an awesome guy. Just like me. Period and everything. Good thanks. Nice to see you. Oh, we're gonna party. We're gonna make it happen. Come on, guys. The show's getting started in like, I don't know, 120,000 milliseconds. It's gonna happen real quick. Boom, 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 like that. Hey, buddy, how you doing? I love that shirt. It's very nice. Very hip-hop. Do they have that in my size? Maybe? Really nice. Good times. You ready? Let's do this. You guys ready to party? All right. Enough of it. People of Universal Studios Singapore, if you are ready to party with Rhythm Street, let me hear you say yeah. That's all I need to hear. Let's do it. Playing in the rock and roll band, I've never had a problem. Didn't have it. Burning down the one night stand. Yes, they was dancing and singing and moving to the groove and just let it hit me. Somebody turn around and shout it. Play the funky music. Come on, play the funky music. Play the funky music. Play down the boogie. Play the funky music. Come on, hands up, everybody. Come on, clap your hands. Let me see, clap your hands. Come on. Let's bring it in, folks. How you guys feeling? Let me hear you make some noise. That's what I'm talking about. How about over here? Everybody make some noise. All right. I need y'all to stick with me. Pay attention. Now listen. We're gonna do something real quick, real smooth, real simple. Check it out. Put your hands in the sky if you're feeling that Rhythm Street vibe. Like this, y'all. Say put your hands in the sky if you're feeling that Rhythm Street vibe. Alright, check it. Everybody, I'm the host. People call me the most. Got a mic in my hand with a pretty sick plan to entertain you. With beats so fat and a drum line crew go rat-a-tat-tat. Welcome to Rhythm Street, everybody, where we put the beat in the street. Literally. Now, I truck maybe in the shop, but that don't mean the beat stop. See, if you're a fan of amazing moves and grooves to get your heart pumping, well, you are in the right place. Now, in the crew today, we got Ray, Rich, Jess. Who else we got? Oh yeah, we got Young, we got Yap, and me, DJ Fire. Not yet. No, listen. Lay them on bang on the drum. Boom, right now, that's too difficult. Guys, girls, grab your sticks, switch up the mix, cause this drum kit's invisible. Check this out, guys. You heard me right. This next bit right here is called the Invisible Drum Kit. It's the coolest thing you've ever seen. These sticks can make all types of crazy noises. You're gonna love it. Crew, are you ready? Yeah! All right. Let's do it. Toms, percussion, come on. All right, Jess, do it. What?
Epic fail.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Come on. All right, Jess, let's try this one more time. Hit it. Okay, do it again. Come on.
Pineapple apple pear.
You are so fired. All together. Hit me 1 time. Now hit me 2 times. Now hit me 3 times. Now give me Phil Collins. All right, Jess, take a breath. You can do this. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, get it. Now it's time to drop the K-pop. Are you ready? Let's do it.
여기부터라 모두 모여라 We gon' party like 리리리라라라
Wow, fantastic, baby. Let's get ready to rumble. Back on the street. Took my time, took my chances. Let me clear my throat.
And all the girls say I'm pretty fly for a white guy
Mega Mix, let's do it. Hit me with the hardcore.
Faster, stronger
All of y'all. Let me hear you go. Jess, this is why we can't have nice things. Pen, pineapple, apple, pen. Anyway, Universal Studios, how you doing? All right. This crowd, you guys are looking amazing. All right, let's find out where everybody's from. If we got anybody from India, make some noise. Nice. Chilla. Yeah, loving it. Good times. What else we got? Anybody from China, make some noise. Okay, a little bit, not that bad. How about Australia? Make some noise. Aussie. Random, I have no idea why they do that. It's a little weird. Fine. What about locals? We got anybody from Singapore? Nice. Good to see you all skipping work. All right, listen, guys. This next thing we're going to do is called the Rhythm Street Challenge. Super simple, super easy. We're going to get a couple volunteers on stage. Actually, it looks like we already have our volunteers up here. All right. While our volunteers are here, let's find out some names. Hello, young lady. What's your name?
Leslie.
Keen? Okay, say that louder for me. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
No, say your name louder. Say your name louder in 3, 2, 1.
Hey,
Round of applause for him. Love it. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
From Vietnam. Loving it. Good times. Okay. Meet this guy. Hey, buddy. Hey, what's your name?
Joe.
Joe. Wow, that was loud enough. But let's do it again. Louder in 3, 2, 1.
Joe!
Joe! Loving it. Where are you from, bud?
Australia.
Australia. Are you sure you're from Australia? They don't pronounce it that way. I thought they pronounced it Australia. Okay. All right, guys, listen, this is how it works. This first portion of the Rhythm Street Challenge is called Follow the Leader. Really simple. You're gonna follow Jess. Joe, you're gonna follow Yen. All right, they're gonna give you a beat and you follow it. Actually, let's give a quick example. Jess, show her how it's done. The magic never stops. Loving it. Okay, yeah, show them how it's done. Tough one. Nice. All right, okay. I think we got it. Let's get this party started, folks. Come on. All right, here we go, Jess. Give a beat. In 3, 2, 1, hit it. Oh, not quite so great. It's okay, yeah, show them how it's done. Here we go. not bad at all. It's pretty good. Let's build it up. Let's build it up. Here we go, guys. All together now. All together. Come on. Next up, for round 2, it's time for a dance battle. Jess, you first. Let's do it. Come on. Work it out. Classic. Oh yeah, she's challenging you. Hold on. This is serious. This is not a joking matter here in Rhythm Streets. Do you want this? Are you sure? That was good, man. Can you? Okay. Hold up. Get the spit off of there, that was nice. All right, now for our third and final contestant, all the way from Australia, it's on you, buddy. Let's see a good time. Actually, hold up, wait, pause. Pause, 1 second. I think you're doing good, but I got something just a little bit better for you. I think you might like this, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Turn down for what? Oh, yeah! Get it! 3, 2, 1, quit it! Oh, my goodness. That was spectacular. Let's get a round of applause for him, everybody. All right, okay, now, we gotta figure out who the winners of this dance challenge are. Okay, so by round of applause, I need everybody first. If you think they were the best, make noise. Give me a round of applause for Jess. I guess that's a no-go, Jess. Sorry about that. All right, how about a round of applause for Yan? All right, and how about a round of applause all the way from Australia? I think it's obvious who our winner is. Let's give one more round of applause for our friend from Australia. Spectacular. Oh, and let's not forget, hey, from Vietnam, one more round of applause for our special drumming skills. Thank you very much. Oh, that was too much fun. Are you guys having fun? Let me hear you say yeah. Spectacular. Well, even good things have to come to an end. So I think we're going to finish this off with one grand finale. If you're ready for a finale, let me hear you say, oh yeah. All righty then, crew, are you ready? Well then, let's do it. Right about now, it's about that time for what? All in Street finale party. And we're going to get this thing kicked off with a bang. I'm gonna need one thing from everybody out there. Let me see you clap your some photos.